see. Oh, you're special. What did you get for your birthday? What'd you buy? Show me. Yeah? What else? What's your big thing? Lego Dimensions. How are you going to play that? What are you? Ghostbusters and an Xbox 360. What? Aw, and a balloon. Are you happy? Let me see. Where's the balloon? Hold it down.
I'm a flying giraffe.
What's your favorite store in the whole wide world?
Wait.
You gotta say, I'm a Toys R Us kid. There's a little song. I'm a Toys R Us kid.
This is my favorite store.
Yeah?
Joffrey's Toys R Us.
Alright, let's go home and play with your new stuff.
I'm like, no, Mom.
What?
I have too much helium. Help, help, I'm a flying giraffe now.